We live in an age of wireless communications. The first radio station started broadcasting in 1920, followed soon after by television. And today, we have 5G mobile networks, satellite internet, radar for autonomous vehicles, and the Internet of Things. The antenna is a critical component of any wireless device. As devices become smaller, lighter, consume more bandwidth but less power, new antenna designs and materials are needed. Introducing WavePro, a new low-loss, high-performance dielectric material from Garlock. WavePro is a ceramic-filled polytetrafluoroethylene, or PTFE dielectric.
So at Garlock, we solve market problems by converting polymers into value-added products. And one of the polymers that we have great experience with is PTFE. We've been working with it for well over 50 years. We know how to formulate, enhance, and shape it into products for critical service applications. PTFE is a very versatile material, and it's used in many industries and applications. We've developed PTFE-based products in the chemical processing, food and pharmaceutical, semiconductor, and, of course, wireless communications industry.
Looking at RF, millimeter, and microwave applications for PTFE, one of the first things we noticed is just how limited are the choices for PTFE dielectrics for RF designers. There are just a handful of values for the dielectric constants available from suppliers. And the same goes for sizes and panel thicknesses. If a designer needed something different to fully optimize the design, they were out of luck. At Garlock, PTFE and materials manufacturing are our core competency. We know how to manufacture PTFE in a continuous spectrum of dielectric constant values. We're proud to be able to offer strong, made-to-order manufacturing capabilities. The product specifications can be very different from one industry to the next. Over the years, we've developed a diverse set of processes for custom manufacturing.
To precisely control the dielectric constant, or the loss factor, we had to come up with different recipes, using different ingredients and different processing steps to get the most out of our product per the application. Pushing the dielectric constant was an interesting challenge. I had to experiment with all kinds of things to get that to work. And it wasn't just about the formula or the production. We even created new procedures for verifying the dielectric constant because the standard IPC test only covered a few standard values.
What we're excited to bring to market is the lowest loss, made-to-order dielectric material. You can specify the dielectric constant, the thickness, and the shape of the material. For designers, you'll be able to optimize your design without having to maneuver around what's available and what's not. WavePro is going to open up a whole new set of possibilities for RF and microwave designers and will help you push the boundaries on what you can deliver to your customers.
WavePro, the made-to-order low-loss dielectric for optimal RF designs. Visit waveproantenna.com to learn more.